Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, Umkhokha the curse. All right, can we start? Okay, fine. Pagato is called, right? He gets there, he sees the unthinkable, he is frustrated, and everybody's crying. His concentration is all on Zodwa. Like, all the concentration is on Zodwa. You know what? He's heartbroken and whatnot. MaMzobe takes Iskhwama apumenazo. So I'm asking myself, in a moment of trauma, in a moment of stress, some things we might not have noticed. Did he notice Iskhwama na? Did he notice Iskhwama? Again, this video will only have Zodwa because we are mourning uZodwa, right? But now, when Upagatswayo, I know, like, really, when MaMzobe sneaked out in Iskhwama, I'm like, then what's going to happen? Umkhokha utlofela, Umkhokha kasfail, right? That's the first question we want to know. Then number two, now that uZodwa is gone, does this mean ukuthi uMabusi is safe from Umkhokha? Because I think also the child crying hysterically was a sign that something bad is happening. Kids can sense in the spirit. Because the child cried while the whole thing was happening. I understand, until Umanzemande came and did something like and intervened. But it is bad. Even like they are worried and they're asking themselves, but everybody's asking Guti, now that Zodwa has gone and it was supposed to be Mabusi's time, does this mean Mabusi is safe? And you guys said because of Iskhwama says Tolagel, but because the truth is not out. I don't know, guys. But nonetheless, Umabusi was shattered. Umabusi did not know what to do. Umabusi was in pieces because she said something profound that I've been married a year, but every time there's problems like around us or in our marriage, like there's no time where we can so swiftly say we had maybe 6 months like go peaceful. You know, it's just chaos after chaos after chaos after chaos. Now that uZodwa is gone, what is going to happen in Iskhwama? Who is going to bring Itopic Iskhwama out so that they ensure Ugutu uZodwa gets the justice that she deserves? Because at this point, there's no justice for Zodwa. Yo, Umkhokha is depressing us. Honestly, they are playing with our feelings. See, they want us to just every day sleep with broken hearts. But I don't know, my landlords. What do you think, Uguti? Is going to be the reason that the whole Iskhwama thing gets out. This is your girl, Disable D. I love you. Peace. Bye.